If you remember on the last videos, we float this menu to the right. So for you to clear that floating right, you will need to apply a clear property. In this case, you will need to go to the, let me show you, to the main content. Let me see. This will be the main content, okay? And let me show you what you are going to do. Let's go in here, main content. If you don't see the main content, you are just going to copy. Let me see if I can. Well, you know what? We are just going to copy and make a selection, and we are going to clear the property. Clear in both. Then semicolon, Control S, and we are going to upload the new CSS style. Let's click OK, and we are going to refresh. Now you are not going to be able to see the difference in here, but when you disable the showcase, believe me, this clear property, it is going to help you a lot. Let me show you if I can do that very quickly. I am just going to copy and paste in here. Let me go to the administrator, then go to the extensions and module manager. In here we are going to disable the showcase, and we are going to go back and click refresh. There you are. And if you go back and let's go to the main content, in here we are going to find, let me go back what I did to check main content. Well, right click, upload, click OK, and we are going to refresh. There it is. As you can see, it will be the clear property. Now don't worry too much about this clear property. In the future it can help you or it won't. I have not really checked this option. I am just worried because we float the menu to the right, so sometimes that will be affecting the layout if you don't clear the floating elements. But right now don't worry. Now below we are going to be, well, you are going to find all the properties, the CSS styles that we are going to be using to, let me see, we are going to go below. Now you can insert these CSS styles in any place you want, but my recommendation, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but what I am going to be doing in this case, after this one in here, around line 455, let me click enter. I am just going to copy and paste all the CSS styles from below, and you are going to be able to see that the image, we are going to be targeting the class image shadow from the image element and from all the images that are going to be descendants of the main content. The image will be floating to the left. It will have a padding of 5 pixels. The background will be white, then the box shadow, the border, radius, and the margin. We are going to click Ctrl S and right click and upload. Click OK, and we are going to refresh. As you can see, now we have accomplished this design. Let me go to the image and see if I can go in here, the image. If you notice, top, right, bottom, and left. Let me see. Yes, you know what, we are going to leave everything as it is. So for right now, that will be it. And on the next video we are going to be changing the font style, and of course we are going to be applying the brown color behind the text, and we are going to be increasing the font size.